Hey everyone! Ever dreamed of visiting a land of sparkling lakes, amazing forests, and cool cities? Get ready to see the magic of Finland. This video shows you 10 awesome places to visit in this cool Nordic country. We'll explore charming old towns, see amazing natural wonders, and experience the culture of the happiest people in the world. So pack your bags, grab your notebook, and let's explore Finland together. Our first stop is Helsinki, the capital city on the Baltic Sea. This vibrant city is known for its stunning architecture, rich history, and a unique blend of Eastern and Western influences. Imagine walking on cobblestone streets with colorful buildings, each one telling a story of its own. The architecture here is a beautiful mix of neoclassical, Art Nouveau, and modern styles. A cool breeze in your hair, the scent of the sea in the air, and the sound of seagulls in the background. It's a sensory experience that captures the essence of Helsinki. Helsinki is best explored on foot, allowing you to truly immerse yourself in its charm. The city is compact and pedestrian-friendly, making it easy to navigate. So put on your walking shoes and get ready for an adventure. Every corner of Helsinki has something unique to offer, from hidden cafes to bustling markets. And let's find its hidden gems. Whether it's a quaint little bookstore or a secret garden, Helsinki is full of surprises waiting to be discovered. We'll visit the famous Helsinki Cathedral, with its green dome standing tall against the skyline. This iconic landmark is a must-see, offering breathtaking views of the city. Then, we'll check out the Market Square, a bustling hub of activity where you can find everything from local crafts to delicious street food. With everything from Finnish crafts to fresh seafood, the Market Square is a feast for the senses. It's the perfect place to pick up a souvenir or sample some local delicacies. And for some history and art, we'll explore the Suomenlinna Sea Fortress, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that offers a glimpse into Finland's past. This fortress, spread across 6 islands, is a fascinating blend of military architecture and natural beauty. It's a place where history comes alive. As the sun sets, the fortress takes on a magical quality, with the golden light casting long shadows and creating a serene atmosphere. We'll find a restaurant to enjoy some yummy Finnish food. From hearty stews to fresh seafood, Finnish cuisine is a delightful blend of traditional and modern flavors. Helsinki mixes history, culture, and modern life perfectly. The city is a living museum where every street and building has a story to tell. Come explore the magic of Helsinki with me. From its historic landmarks to its vibrant street life, Helsinki is a city that will capture your heart and leave you wanting more. Get ready for an adventure in Lapland, a magical place in northern Finland where winter is king. This enchanting region is known for its pristine, snow-covered landscapes that stretch as far as the eye can see. Imagine a world covered in snow, where every tree and hill is blanketed in a thick layer of white. The air is crisp and fresh, and the silence of the snowy wilderness is only broken by the occasional sound of wildlife. Where the air is full of magic, the snowflakes fall gently from the sky, creating a serene and almost otherworldly atmosphere. It's a place that feels like it has been plucked straight from a fairy tale. Here you can see the northern lights, one of nature's most spectacular displays. The aurora borealis lights up the night sky with vibrant colors, dancing and shifting in a mesmerizing show. A beautiful show of color in the night sky. We'll go to Lapland, where the northern lights are visible on clear nights, providing a breathtaking experience that you will never forget, where you can ride husky sleds through snowy forests. Imagine the thrill of being pulled by a team of eager huskies, gliding through the snow-covered landscape. It's an exhilarating way to explore the winter wonderland. And for a really cool experience, you can try other winter activities like snowshoeing, ice fishing, and even reindeer sleigh rides. Each activity offers a unique way to enjoy the beauty of Lapland's winter. We'll visit a Finnish sauna. After a day of outdoor adventures, there's nothing quite like relaxing in a traditional Finnish sauna surrounded by snow. It's a perfect way to warm up and unwind. Lapland is also home to Santa Claus Village, a place where the magic of Christmas comes to life. Here, you can meet Santa Claus himself, visit his workshop, and experience the joy and wonder of the holiday season. A place where Christmas magic is real. Whether you want adventure, relaxation, or Christmas magic, Lapland is amazing. It's a destination that offers something for everyone, making it a perfect place for a winter getaway. We're going south to Turku, a cool city on the coast of Finland. Turku is Finland's oldest city, and you can feel its history in its streets and buildings. We'll start at the Turku Castle, a big fortress. Then we'll walk along the Ora River. We'll also visit the Åland Islands, a group of over 6,500 islands. We'll take a ferry and explore these beautiful islands where you can bike, kayak, and eat great seafood. Turku and the Åland Islands mix history, culture, and nature. Chapter 4. Tampere, where industry meets inspiration. Get ready for Tampere, a city full of energy. Located between two lakes, Tampere mixes its industrial past with modern ideas. We'll start at the Tampere Market Hall, a foodie paradise. Imagine fresh produce, local cheeses, and Finnish pastries. Next, we'll go to the Vapriki Museum Center, a place with many museums. And for art and culture, we'll visit the Tampere Art Museum. As the sun sets, we'll go to the Piniki Observation Tower for amazing views of the city and lakes. Chapter 5. Rovaniemi, Santa Claus awaits. Let's go north to Rovaniemi, the home of Santa Claus and a winter wonderland. Nestled in the heart of Finnish Lapland, Rovaniemi is a place where the magic of Christmas is alive all year round. This enchanting town is not just a destination, it's an experience that captures the essence of the holiday spirit. Imagine a world where the sun barely rises, creating a magical glow on the snow. The winter sun casts long shadows and bathes the landscape in a soft, ethereal light. It's a scene straight out of a fairy tale, where every moment feels like a dream. Our first stop is the Santa Claus Village, where Christmas dreams come true. Here you can feel the festive spirit in the air with twinkling lights, cheerful decorations, and the joyful sounds of carols filling the village. It's a place where the magic of Christmas is tangible, and every corner holds a new surprise. You can meet Santa, cross the Arctic Circle, and send postcards from the Santa Claus post office. Imagine the delight of your loved ones when they receive a postcard stamped from the official post office of Santa Claus himself. It's a memory that will last a lifetime. But Rovaniemi is more than just Santa. This charming town offers a plethora of winter activities that cater to all ages. From reindeer sleigh rides to snowmobile safaris, there's something for everyone to enjoy. The pristine wilderness surrounding Rovaniemi is perfect for those who love the great outdoors. We'll also visit the Arcticum, a museum about the Arctic. This fascinating museum offers a deep dive into the history, culture, and environment of the Arctic region. It's an educational experience that provides a greater understanding of the unique challenges and beauty of the Arctic. And we'll spend a night in a glass-roofed igloo, looking at the stars, and maybe even the northern lights. Imagine lying in a cozy bed, surrounded by the tranquility of the Arctic night, with the possibility of witnessing the mesmerizing dance of the northern lights above you. It's an experience that truly captures the magic of Rovaniemi. Chapter 6. Oulu, Gateway to the North. Let's experience Oulu, a cool city called the capital of northern Finland. Oulu is where city life meets the coast. We'll start at the market square. Imagine fresh produce, local crafts, and Finnish food. Next, we'll go to the Titoma Science Center, a fun museum. We'll also visit the island of Hailuoto, with beautiful beaches and fishing villages. Chapter 7. Savonlinna, Echoes of Medieval Times. Get ready to go back in time in Savonlinna, a town known for its medieval castle. Savonlinna mixes history, culture, and nature. We'll start at Olavinlinna Castle, a big fortress on an island in Lake Saimaa. Imagine crossing the bridge to the castle, explore its courtyards, towers, and dungeons. After the castle, we'll take a boat trip on Lake Saimaa, one of the largest lake systems in Europe. Imagine seeing lots of islands and forests. As the sun sets, we'll find a lakeside restaurant to enjoy some local food. Get ready for some charm as we visit Naantali, a cute seaside town. With its colorful houses, harbor, and Moomin World theme park, Naantali is special. We'll start at the harbor with colorful houses and shops. Imagine the smell of the sea and fresh pastries. Next, we'll go to Moomin World, a theme park about the Moomins. We'll also visit the island of Kultaranta, the president's summer house. Naantali is a fairy tale town, mixing history, culture, and family fun. Get ready for the peace of Kuopio, a city in the Finnish Lakeland. Kuopio mixes city life and nature. We'll start at the Kuopio Market Square. Next, we'll go to the Puijo Tower for amazing views of the lakes and forests. We'll also visit a traditional smoke sauna. Kuopio invites you to relax and enjoy nature. Our last stop is Porvoo, one of the oldest towns in Finland. Porvoo is a nice escape from busy city life. Imagine walking on cobblestone streets with colorful wooden houses. We'll start in Old Porvoo, the historic center. We'll visit shops and art galleries and see Finnish crafts. We'll also visit the Porvoo Cathedral, a very old church. Next we'll go to the Porvoo River. As the sun sets, we'll find a restaurant in Old Porvoo for our last taste of Finnish food. So there you have it, our tour of 10 amazing places in Finland. From the cities to the countryside, Finland has adventure, relaxation, and culture. Finland has something for everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel videos. Hiva matka! Have a great trip.